Hi friends, welcome. We often chat with different AI tools to get our answers or to study on something. How about talking to a person? We often discuss on various topics with our friends or experts asking their opinion, their answers. Now just imagine the expert or our friend with whom we are talking. Instead of a human, it is become a AI tool. I am saying about chatting, not chatting. It is all about talking to a AI tool. So we can also ask different questions, interact with it whenever in your relaxed time or free. Like we are talking to a friend, but here the friend is having vast knowledge over the area and different critical questions it can answer. We'll see Google AI Studio how we will talk to the AI bots here or the AI tools and get the answers. We'll learn more about this. Go to Google. So search here Google AI Studio. I will say stream real time directly you search. So best it will come up fast. So here it is. I will just in my case. So in your case directly you may get this at the top. So here it is. Before starting, let's just see the questions what we have going to discuss. So here are the 5 questions. One Python. You can just change the question. So instead of Python, you can talk to your about your sports, your say study, whatever you want. You can to discuss. Keep a points. Not necessarily that you should have a direct question. Through the discussion, also some new things may evolve. So you can based on that. Here for our guide, we have 5 questions to discuss. Let's just start here. I'm just connecting. So allow visiting this site. I have to add connecting to the server. Hi, are you there?
जी बिल्कुल। साइट ऐड का हिंदी अनुवाद है साइट जोड़ें। क्या आप इस बारे में और कुछ जानना चाहते हैं?
जी थोड़ा लैंग्वेज को इंग्लिश को चेंज करिए, हम लोग थोड़ा इंग्लिश में वार्तालाप करेंगे.
Certainly. I'm happy to switch to English. What would you like to chat about?
Tell me, my first question is what is Python in a programming language in simple terms and why it is considered a good programming language for beginners to learn?
Python is a popular programming language known for its simplicity and ease of use. It's considered a good choice for beginners because its syntax is relatively straightforward and resembles English, making it easier to read and understand. Plus, it has a large and active community, which means there's plenty of support and resources available for learners. Do you have any other programming questions?
Beyond just writing code, what are some practical everyday problems or tasks that Python can help me to solve or automate?
Python is very versatile. You can use it for things like organizing files on your computer, scraping data from websites, or even creating simple games. It's also great for data analysis and visualizing information. Is there a specific task you're interested in automating?
No, tell me, what are the main advantages of learning Python compared to other programming language, especially for someone just starting out?
One of the biggest advantages of learning Python is its readability, which makes it easier to write and understand code compared to some other languages. It's also very versatile, used across many fields like web development, data science, and automation. This versatility means you can find many different ways to use your skills and leads to a wide range of career paths. Also, Python has a large, helpful community, so it's easy to find help if you run into trouble. Are there any specific areas you're interested in applying your coding skills?
If I learn Python, what kind of job opportunity or career path could it open for me?
Learning Python can open up a wide range of career paths. Some common roles include software engineer, data scientist, data analyst, and web developer. Python's also used in data analysis, machine learning, and robotics, so you have a lot of options depending on your interests. Do any of those sound interesting to you?
Tell me what kind of community support and resources are available for someone learning Python, and why is this important for a beginner?
Python has a very active and supportive community, which is a big plus for beginners. You can find tons of free resources like tutorials, online courses, and documentation. Plus, there are forums and Q&A websites where you can ask questions and get help from other programmers. This strong community makes learning less overwhelming and provides a valuable support system for figuring out problems.
Thank you. I'll back to you with more questions. Friends, I'm giving you another set of questions. Try it yourself. So this is on our favorite tool, Notebook LM. So let's see. Here I am giving you the 5 questions you can try. Not that these things only you should try. Try in your own areas. Then this is on the Notebook LM. So our favorite tool, how to get started, what is Notebook LM, all these 5 simple questions you can try. So I'll just give you another tip that even you can use a AI tool also to generate these questions. Say go to ChatGPT and all, give me beginners friendly 5 questions on Notebook LM. Come back and start chatting, and even this voice chatting is available to other tools also. That's all, friends. Tell me how it was and what are your questions. Just keep on interacting with the AI tools and talking to them, so you'll get answers to that. Not that you should have a fixed questions and all. During the discussion, different questions may come up in your mind, in your subject or in your area of interest. So keep trying that, and you have an expert always available with you. 24 hours it is available for you to guide you. Use it in that way. Tell me how you are going to use, and if you have any idea, suggestion, doubt or questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.